Hi, Ben Piaro, Muscle Car Restorations here at World of Wheels, and have this 37 Ford, and kind of a unique opportunity. I have Frank here with me from Heidt Suspension Systems, and they actually helped us with the suspension on this vehicle. A couple years ago we contacted them, and they ended up supplying us a full suspension with coilovers and 4-link, and I thought Frank could just kind of go through and tell us a little bit about that setup.
So this is a fully fabricated frame rail, boxed all the way through. It's a 1935 to 1940 Ford chassis, equipped with a Mustang 2 front end and a 4-link in the back. So that's going to give you a rack and pinion steering in the front end, coilovers on all 4 corners, and significant handling characteristic improvements over the factory frame. We do have a Super Ride front end available for these cars, as well as an independent rear suspension. Really depends what the customer is trying to do with the car. This one in particular is equipped with the Mustang 2 front end and the 4-link in the back.
Yeah, it really worked out well for us and the customer because they were really looking for something that they can cruise, drive cross country, and with the 5-liter Coyote, Ford Coyote, a lot more horsepower. Had to get that down to the ground and be able to hook it up and get all the benefits of a modern suspension. So thanks again, great job.
Thank you.